10 deadliest insects in the world. Number 10. Bullet ant. Bullet ant is the largest of all ants in the world. They mostly found in rainforests of Nicaragua and Paraguay. Bullet ants named after their painful sting. After the bite, victim would feel like being shot in the fact that sting by a bullet ant is 30 times more painful than a wasp or a honeybee. The 1-inch-sized bullet ant, also called as 24-hour ant by locals. It is because one full day pain followed by its sting. Each bullet ant colonies contain hundreds of members. They usually make a nest at the base of large trees. Bullet ants also release unpleasant odor once they've found any predator. If that trick didn't drive the predators away, they would attack together with a powerful sting. Number 9. Botfly. The larvae of butterflies are internal parasites of mammals. Unfortunately, the dangerous larvae also live beneath human skins and cause horrible effects. The human butterflies, mostly found across Central and South America. Meiosis known parasite infestation makes severe changes in skin tissues. The young female butterflies lay eggs within the skin of mammals. The larvae penetrate through skin life and subdermal zones of human skin for 60 days. The patients could feel the movement of larvae beneath their skin. One larva development gets complete. It leaves out of the body. Number 8. Fleas. Fleas are external parasites that suck blood from humans, birds, reptiles, and wild and domestic animals. The fleas could cause itching spots on the skin of host. Fleas only have the size of the tip of a pen and reproduce very, very quickly. Every female flea lays 2,000 eggs within their lifespan. There are 2,000 known species of flies in the world. Young fleas can consume the volume of blood that over 15 times their body weight. The flea bites on human body result in red bumps. They commonly found around waist, knees, and elbows. The bite of fleas are very itchy and it may also lead to infection. Number 7. Fire ants. There are 285 different species of fire ants in the world. Once disturbed, they would sting the intruder repeatedly. The fire ant's sting is very painful. Also, a white pustule caused by fire ant sting lasts for weeks. Their venom also would cause several skin problems. Fire ants usually attack in a group that contains 10 to hundreds of ants. The venom of fire ants also results in allergic reaction. Number 6. Kissing bug. Kissing bugs grow up by sucking the blood of vertebrates. Kissing bugs, named after the habit of biting the lip of human while they sleep. They also transmit parasite called as Trypanosoma cruzi. The kissing bug disease or changes kills 12,000 people every year. The The Dengue disease spread to animals and pets in the same way. The kissing bug bites results in instant changes within victims' bodies, such as welts and rashes. Number 5. Giant Japanese Hornet. Giant Japanese hornet is the largest species of hornet in the world. They grew up to a size of 2 inches. Every year, the 40 deaths are recorded by the sting of Japanese hornet. The venom of Japanese hornet will cause an allergic reaction and dissolve tissues within a short time. The repeated stinging from the group of hornets could also result in death. Japanese hornets are very aggressive and fearless. Each colony of Japanese hornets contains up to 700 members. They feed on honeybee larvae into a significant amount. They had the power to finish up to 40 honeybees in a minute. Number 4. Tsetse Flies. Tsetse Flies. Number 4. Tsetse Flies. Tsetse Flies are a deadliest by insect native to Africa. They make feed on the blood of vertebrates. They are extremely dangerous insects. Inject poison toxin on each string. It is estimated that about 500,000 people lost their life by attack of tsetse flies in Africa. At the primary stage of the venom of tsetse flies would make sleeping sickness on the victim, but it may lead to fatality with proper treatment. Number 3. Killer bees. Killer bees also are known as Africanized honeybees. It is one of the very aggressive and dominant insects in the world. The group of killer bees follows the victim for more than 1 mile. They attack in the group and make repetitive stinging. The killer bees mainly target the face and eyes of humans. Their toxin is not so dangerous, but an attack by a group of killer bees will cause even death. They live within large colonies that contain more than 80,000 members. Once they get disturbed by the bees, could become alerted for next 24 hours and would attack any animals or humans that come within their range. Number 2, driver ants. Driver ant has the largest colony than other insects in the world. Each colony of driver ants that has members up to 22 million. Even elephants will run away from the group attack of driver ants. They try to finish off any animal that comes across their path. Driver ants typically kill thousands of different animals within a single raid. They make repetitive rounds of animals and humans using their strong mandibles. Driver ants also raid nests of other insects for food and kill them. Number 1, mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are most dangerous insect species on Earth. This deadliest insect causes 1 million deaths every year by transmitting deadly malaria disease. Mosquitoes carry malaria germs from one place to another, and they spread germs into the blood of victims by biting. Who estimated that in every 30 seconds a child dies due to malaria, and 500 million causes of malaria reported every year. Malaria is a blood-transmitting disease. This disease won't affect by contact with this person. It's transmitted through parasites. mainly by bites of mosquitoes. In addition to malaria, mosquitoes also spread dengue fever, yellow fever, and encephalitis and West Nile virus. Thanks for watching and for this video. Hope you like and subscribe. Bye, guys.